Number 1. Emile Henry Modern Classics Rectangular Baker. The Emile Henry Modern Classics Rectangular Baker holds a whopping 5 quarts, which is more than any other dish we tested. That means you should have no trouble layering in a full box of lasagna noodles. It baked bread pudding beautifully, most pans we tested did, and it's broiler safe. It also has a 10-year warranty. The Emile Henry's large handles are easy to grab with oven mitts, and this dish comes in 4 bright colors, in addition to white. Number 2. Heat lasagna pan. If you're looking for a pan that has a really good grip and that you don't mind being on the smaller side, consider the Heat lasagna pan. It has large, loop-shaped handles that you can wrap your hands around, even when you're wearing oven mitts, and it's about a pound lighter than the Emile Henry. The Heat is not our top pick because it holds about 2 quarts less than the Emile Henry does, making it one of the smallest dishes we tested, and therefore a bit less versatile. It also lacks a warranty. But the Heat's size makes it easier to maneuver, even when full. And let's face it, there are times when you don't need an extra deep pan. This pan is also available in red, as the Mrs. Anderson's Baking Lasagna Pan. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3QT Glass Baking Dish with Lid. We like the OXO Good Grips 3QT Glass Baking Dish with Lid as a budget option. It's made of borosilicate glass, for better thermal shock resistance than tempered glass Pyrex. In other words, it's less likely to break when exposed to sudden temperature changes. And though it's more utilitarian looking than our other picks, the OXO dish bakes just as evenly and has large handles that are easy to grasp firmly. This dish is great for making baked goods like raspberry squares or blondis, because you can see through the glass to monitor how the crust is browning. The OXO also comes with a lid, so you can easily store leftovers or transport your dish to a potluck.